Kung nagkikita ba kayo ni Romnick when you bump into each other, nagre-reminisce kayo about the good old days? Hindi ba nag-cross sa mind mo? Yung naudlot niyong... Pero would you say that si Romnick ang totga mo, the one that got away? Muling ibalik ang nakaraan.
Siguro pagka nagkita ulit.
Handa ka na bang umibig muli?
Tulad ng sabi natin,
Who's the most baliw sa pag-ibig? Ay! Hello mga kadaldal, in celebration of Women's Month, my very special guest today is someone who redefines what being ageless is. My good friend from way back, the ever fabulous Cheryl Cruz!
Happy Women's Month!
Yes!
Happy Dolly! Congratulations!
Mabuhay mga single!
Yes, mabuhay ang mga single!
Ang
and
mga
ever beautiful!
Ang mga gandang walang nakikinabang.
Ay, mga kadaldal, it's so nice to have all of you here at nanonood sa amin ngayon. It's so special for me na maging guest ako dito sa Dollywood.
Siyempre, mag-aan muna tayo. Throwback to the Romnick Sarmenta chapter of your
Yes.
life. Ang inyong love team noon, Shernick, di ba?
Yes.
Pero MU lang kayo, hindi kayo naging couple in real life.
Hindi naman kami ganon kaseryoso.
Kasi bata pa kayo.
Yes. Pero nakatulong talaga ng malaki yung aming love team. At talagang pinagkaguluhan. Malaking bahagi ng buhay ko yung aming pagiging love team at pagiging magkapareha because it's been a big help to my career.
Pero would you say that si Romnick ang totga mo, the one that got away?
Hindi ko masasabi yung kasi at that time na magkapareha kami, I was so young and I didn't know anything about romance or love. Ang aking focus was my job, how I was going to be able to help my dad. Kasi nga, di ba, magkahiwalay yung mom ko at dad ko nung time na yon.
Of course, Ricky Belmonte and Rosemary Sonora.
How I was going to be a good ate to my youngest brother, Patrick. Ang iniisip ko nung time na yon, paano ako makakasurvive sa show business by surpassing the teen actress space pagkatapos being an actress, tapos noon being paired with different leading men in different productions. Yun yung aking goal.
Pero never ba nagtangka si Romnick na ligawan ka?
Niligawan niya
Nagtangka.
ako. Pero hindi lang siguro talaga kami aligned. But he's a very, very good person.
Nung naghiwalay sila ni Harleen Bautista, hindi ba nag-cross sa mind mo? Yung naudlot yung, hindi naman romance, parang baka kayo talaga ang destined.
Actually, maraming wishing na mga fans namin.
Oo,
Diba?
yung
Pati
mga-
sa mga projects
mga
namin.
fanatics.
Hopefully in the future, kasi wala naman kaming problema. My door is always open for our reunion project.
Oo,
Pero
aabangan
kung
yan.
kailan gusto ni Lord, siguro, dun yun mangyayari, di ba? yung sa akin, yung sentiments ko, nung time na nagkahiwalay sila is, syempre nalungkot ako for both of them. Kasi parehas silang kaibigan ko. Kaluskus-musmos days, batang bulilit, ganyan. We were all together, pati That's Entertainment. Syempre kahit pa paano, may pinagsamahan din kami. You never want to wish the demise of a family because it also happened to me, di ba? Kung masaya sila sa mga ka-relationship nila ngayon, I'm so happy for them.
Masaya mo si
I'm very
Harleen
happy
kay
for them.
Federico.
And I'm also happy
Someone.
na si Romnick has his own relationship and is also happy.
Kung nagkikita ba kayo ni Romnick when you bump into each other, nagre-reminisce kayo about the good old days, muling ibalik ang nakaraan.
Siguro pagka nagkita ulit kami, because when we see each other, we're cordial to each other. Hi, hello, ganyan. Nung time na yun naman din, magkasama pa rin sila ni Harleen. Siyempre, di ba, I don't want to cross anybody's line.
Is it okay we talk about your ex-husband even just a bit?
sure.
Are you on good terms with Norman?
We're civil. We're civil and we're very proud of our daughter.
Yes.
Si Nicole, who's actually entering showbiz na rin.
Following your
I'm
footsteps.
so proud of her because she's using my mom's last name.
Sonora.
Sonora, yeah. Dahil nagbibigay siya ng pugay sa family ng mama ko.
So your marriage is annul already, no? Do you still believe in marriage or once is enough?
I believe in the institution of marriage. Once is enough for me, di ba? Because
Been there, done
you
that.
can never be sure, di ba? Yung ganon. Kasi biro mo, Ate Dolly, ako nagpakasal 3 times.
3
Dalawang
times?
beses sa West.
Oh.
With the same person, with Nicole's father, di ba? So,
Sa States
dalawa
nun,
sa
right?
West, yeah. Isa sa Lake Tahoe, at saka isa dito sa Pilipinas. And then, yung malaking church wedding namin sa San Francisco.
How long did your marriage last?
Almost 15 years.
15 15 years.
So I cannot say na it was a failed marriage or it was a failed relationship.
Kasi it's not a failed relationship if you learned what you had to learn and you became better persons after your journey together.
And like I said, di ba, with Romnick, hindi lang din kami aligned. Hindi lang din kami.
After 15 years, I
para sa
realized
isa't
mo,
isa.
ganun, parang not meant for a lifetime.
Yeah, not
Pero
meant for a lifetime.
he served his purpose in your
He
life.
served this purpose in my life. Plus, he's been a very, very good father and supporter for my daughter din naman. Kasi biro mo yung daughter ko, hindi naman din mag-graduate ng summa cum laude sa San Francisco State University.
Nakaka-proud. Ang galing.
Yes, with a major in psychology and minor in race and resistance.
Wow.
So, yung sa akin, di ba, kung hindi naman siguro kami ganun ka-supportive at ganun ka-in tune with our daughter, di ba, while she's growing up, I don't think na makakaambag kami sa growth niya.
You set a good example kasi di ba may mga ibang ex-couples yung nagbabangayan. Ako sa akin that's wrong kasi you should not badmouth an ex kasi kahit bali-balik na rin ang mundo, nasa DNA ng anak mo yan. So pag binabadmouth mo yung ex mo, parang is tantamount to badmouthing your own
Ate Dali,
kid, di ba?
Norman, the father of Ashley, has always been the love of my life. Di ba yung ganon? So, how can I badmouth him to my daughter?
May mga
Di ba
iba
yung
kasi
ganon?
ganun, di ba?
Yun yung sigurong true love ko na naramdaman ko sa buhay ko. But then, it's just not meant to be.
Pero are you still open na second chances, magkabalikan kayo? Or
Norman is already happy with his relationship.
with all due respect,
diba?
I didn't
With all
know.
due respect. And yung ano naman, yung girlfriend naman ni Norman, may full support din naman sa daughter ko. So wala naman ako masasabi.
And ikaw, handa ka na bang umibig muli?
Tulad ng sabi natin, tayo yung inaabangan, di ba? At
Ayoko na.
pinanghihinayangan. At pinanghihinayangan.
Kota na ako.
Kota ka na. I know, you told me that
Oo.
earlier.
Ikaw na lang. Pero you're dating, you said.
Yes, I'm dating. But then, pag hindi kami aligned ng wavelength at saka ng mga goals and wants sa buhay, then,
Pack up.
pack up.
Change
Diba yung ganon?
casting.
Yes. Moving on. Moving on.
Pero parang are you happier now that you're single than when you were
Yes,
married?
especially when you're
Freedom.
when you're working also, it gives you purpose in life, diba? And when you travel a lot like I do,
Yes, we'll talk about your India trip.
yes.
Oo.
Then, I have freedom. I feel so responsible. Yung ganyan, independent.
Ako
ganyan.
tawag ko dyan, parang being single is a nice sense of irresponsibility.
Really?
Kasi wala kang inaalagaan di ba? Wala kang iniintindi.
Tsaka, sa buhay ko naman, Ate Dolly, God is always the center of my universe.
Amen,
diba?
amen. Me too.
Before everything else, di ba?
Anyway, tell us about your India trip. Na-miss ko tuloy ang India kasi I've been to Delhi and Kashmir. Ang mga accessories, so talagang Miss India.
Rose of Levy Travel and Tours, yung
Oo.
pinsan ko, and Sita Travel India, please do invite Miss
naku.
Dolly Ann Carvajal on our next tour sa India. Yes, I have to
Doon tayo
thank-
maglo-location ng
I have
Dollywood.
to thank them dahil malaking bahagi yung Sita Travel India. They're big operators there in India who are collaborating with my cousin with Levy Travel and Tours. And as I told you, ako yung kanilang spokesperson. This is my second time visiting India.
Naku, baka doon mo na ma-meet ang
Hindi
iyong
ko alam.
pangalawang Norman.
Bibigyan ka ng royal treatment.
Wow.
We went to New Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Pushkar, and also Udaipur. So,
Grabe.
buong Rajasthan.
Feeling mo si Jasmine ka na sa magic carpet.
Yes.
Oo.
Si Aladdin.
Di ba babalik ka? Baka mahanap mo na yung Aladdin mo doon.
In Jaipur, may mga gumagawa ng mga beddings for
Oo.
different
Yung mga
designers
high-end,
like
high-end.
Givenchy, Kenzo, and one of this textile manufacturer na pinuntahan namin sa Jaipur, siya talaga yung pinupuntahan ng mga designers para gumawa ng kanilang
Sabi
mga
mo,
design. Yeah.
kliyente niya si Brad Pitt.
Yes,
ha?
sila Kenzo, sila Richard Gere,
Wow,
ganyan.
doon mo bumibili.
Because, pati ang mga Hollywood actors, they also want yung mura rin naman, di ba? Yung bang practical, di ba? Because money, yung money na pinaghihirapan natin, no, dito sa show business, kailangan it goes a long way.
Kasi binibenta yan sa iba, $4,000.
Yes, pag binenta yun sa pwesto, like in France, in Paris, or in Europe, it's like $4,000. Doon makukuha mo lang without the ticket, without the brand.
Oo.
Pero the same thing for $120.
Grabe. Pwede ka ng tourism officer ng India.
Hello!
Oo.
I'll be seeing you there
Oo.
in Varanasi and also in Kashmir kung saan ka pumunta.
Oo, maganda
on
doon.
October.
Mas
yeah.
enjoy ko yung Kashmir kesa Delhi.
Yes.
And parang mag-ano ka doon, soul searching and soulmate searching.
I have to say hello, Sunit! Kamusta kayo dyan sa India, Barun? Manu, how are you?
Oo, parang miss na miss mo na yung India.
Yes,
Oo.
I miss them so much.
Oo. Anyway, papunta naman tayo sa iyong Tita Susan Roses. Anong trait niya ang channel mo the most? Elegance niya, yung strength, ba?
Yung kanyang pagka-reserve,
Parang hindi marunong magalit, no? Grace under pressure.
grace under pressure, yes.
Na-sermonan ka ba ever ng Tita Susan mo?
Madalas.
Oo,
Madalas.
nakikinig ka naman.
Yes.
Oo, pasok naman. Siyempre,
Ganun tayo, di ba? Nung bata tayo,
Oo.
isa dit. Parang magulang kasi she's my second mom.
Oo.
She's my
Pero
second
anong tumatak sa'yo hanggang ngayon pag naiisip mo?
mom. Na nagpapasalamat ako sa
Na yung
kanya.
advice niya na, nga, tama
Okay.
si Tita Susan.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa auntie ko because, di ba, tubo sila ng Sampaguita Studios. So, they were contract actors and actresses. Kasama doon ang mama ko, ang papa ko. And si Tita Lutz din siguro, gumawa rin doon ng mga movies, di ba?
Oo,
Yan, yung
Guy
mom
and
mo.
Pip. Oo,
Yes,
si
sila
Doc
Kuya
Perez,
Germs,
of
di ba?
course.
So, lahat sila tinuruan how to groom themselves, how to dress up for a certain occasion, ganyan-ganyan. So, lahat na ng etiquette, ng proper etiquette, tinuro sa kanila, pati yung grooming. So, sabi sa akin ng auntie ko, you owe it to the public na nagpapaganda ka. Hindi porque you have good skin, good hair,
Good look.
pag lumabas ka, wala kang pakialam with your kilay, with your lipstick, you don't put lipstick on, you don't put kilay on, because nga, di ba, yung kilay ang nagdadala sa face ng babae.
Oo.
Ganon.
Kilay
So,
is life.
yeah.
Oo.
So sabi niya, paano pag wala kayong mga makeup artists abroad when you do your shows? When you do like
Sir
out of the
Susan.
country ng mga ng projects, magmumukha kang busabos. You don't know how to fix yourself.
Tsaka it comes with the territory na
Makeup,
artista, kailangan
ganyan.
consistent, hindi lang on-screen,
Yes.
but even off-screen. Kasi tinitingala kayo ng mga fans. Tapos, ay, ba't ganun? Sa TV lang pala maganda.
Tapos when you get paid, di ba? It's not like a cheap kind of salary that you get. So kahit pa paano, you owe it also
Dapat
to fix yourself.
maintain
Diba?
ang
Yung
market
ganun yun.
value.
Yes.
And anong nami-miss mo most kay Tita Susan?
Namimiss ko yung mga compliments niya when I do something good. Because, di ba, we're both actress. Pagka nakita niya yung interview ko, let's say, I did a great interview with you, she will be telling me, oh, you did really well with your Ate Dolly, ganyan. I like it when you talked about this topic, ganyan. I liked how you look. I like how you carry your hair, yourself, ganyan. Yung accessories na ginamit, I like your total look. So, yung mga ganon, yung namimiss ko sa
Kung pwede mo makausap Tita Susan mo now at magsusumbong ka sa kanya about life or love or career, anong isusumbong mo?
Wala naman akong isusumbong sa kanya, pero ang sasabihin ko sa kanya, thank you for her patience sa pagbibigay sa akin ng pangaral, and she never gave up on me or my brothers and my cousins, kasi pag mahal ka ng magulang mo or any member of your family, talagang matyaga sila na patuloy nila ikaw papangaralan. Diba yung ganon? No matter how much you dislike being lectured. Kasi nowadays, wala na nagbibigay ng totoong pangaral. I'm so fortunate na kahit papano, I was raised by a family, especially by Mama Inday, Susan Roses, who was a parent like that to us.
How about kay Tito Ronnie, kay FPJ? Were you close to him?
Yes. Doon ako umiiyak at nagsusumbong. Alam mo ba, ang naaalala ko sa kanya, I had this finals sa OB Montessori. Because I was
ano ko rin yan, school.
I was in 4th year. Umagang-umaga, I was going to school. I was about to go to school. Naabutan ako. Eh, yung time na yun, medyo lasing na, ganyan. So, every time yan, hahanapin kami ng mga pinsan ko, si Joseph, si Jeffrey, because Manang was in the States that time. So, hinahanap kaming tatlo. Parang may roll call kami. Pag nakita na kami, pakakantahin kami ng Lupang Hinirang, at saka, pagsasalitain kami ng Panatang Makabayan.
Bakit?
Ganun siya ka-nationalistic.
Grabe.
I was going to be late for my test, yung finals ko. Tapos nagmamadali ako nun kasi nga, I had to sing for him. Tapos kailangan kong i-recite yung Panatang Makabayan, yung ganyan.
Ako yun naman yung nag-drinking session nga kasi parang last day of shooting, so 3 days straight. Sabi niya sa akin, Proxy, pag ikaw kinasal ulit, magdindinong ako. You know why he calls me Proxy, si Tito Ronnie, FPJ? Kasi kada nag-attend siyang wedding, ang mami ko, Ninang, tamad mag-attend ng ganun
So,
sa
ikaw
mami.
proxy?
Ako proxy, so parati kami nagkikita. Kaya sabi niya, pag ako daw ikakasal, magnininong siya. Nakakatuwa, nakakamiss si Tito Ronnie.
Yes.
Ano namang mga advice niya sa'yo na talagang daladala mo pa hanggang ngayon?
Sabi niya sa akin, hindi ako pwedeng maging bias sa mga pananaw ko. I have to balance it out. So let's say, pag sa politics, pag meron kang mga kaibigan na oposisyon, kailangan hindi lahat oposisyon. Kailangan meron ka ring mga kaibigan na administrasyon. Ganon. Para mababalanse sila.
Parang open ka.
No, at saka hindi lang isang side yung iyong naririnig. naririnig or pinaniniwalaan.
Mga words of wisdom from the king.
Yes.
Let's talk naman about your daughter, si
Yes.
Ashley. Magjo-join na ng showbiz, no? Hindi mo ba din-discourage?
We all know the heartaches of show business,
Oo,
di ba?
dito na
And
tayo lumaki.
everything that it can bring, di ba? Kung ano man yung mga good things and bad things that it can bring. So yung sa akin, ayoko siyang pangunahan because first of all, she's of age. She's 24 years
Grabe,
old.
summa cum laude, pero gusto pa rin niya mag-showbiz.
Yes. It's in her blood.
Yeah,
I
you can't
cannot
fight
deny
that.
the fact. Plus, isa sa mga talents ni Ashley na gusto kong i-share sa buong mundo is her love for writing. Because she's a very gifted writer, like Ronaldo Reyes.
Wow, ganun kagaling.
Ganun siya.
Namana talaga.
At hindi lang yon. Kung sa tingin natin, pang Pilipino lang yung lasa, no, it's for international.
Wow, spoken like a proud mom.
I am very proud. So
Oh.
sana, i-welcome nyo rin sa mga puso ninyo, sa inyong mga tahanan, yung anak ko, na si Nicole Sonora.
Sonora, oh.
Yeah.
Parang titignan kita ngayon, you remind me of your mom. Are you in touch with your mom?
Yeah.
How is she now?
I guess she's doing okay and she loves her life outside of show business.
Did she remarry?
She's been with my stepdad for the longest time, si Dad David.
Oh.
They've been together for so many decades na din.
Mom mo, nakahanap ng pangalawang Gloria. Baka ikaw rin after Norman.
I'm really not expecting or wishing for it. Ang sabi nila kasi darating na lang o darating, di ba? Kung gusto ni Jesus ibigay sa akin, then thank you, di ba? Pero right now, I'm happy with my life. I'm happy with being single, just like you.
Yes.
And of course, I'm happy doing what I love to do, my job in the entertainment industry, singing, acting, ganyan. Also traveling.
Happy being busy and busy being happy.
Yes.
Yan ang ating motto.
At saka, minsan, pupunta ulit ako dito because I will bring my friend Eileen Rivera to you para naman i-introduce namin sa mga viewers mo yung bago naming business.
Okay. Game tayo
Food
dyan.
business naman,
Wow.
oo.
Grabe. Let's talk about your new show sa GMA, yung Born to Shine.
Yes,
Reunited
Born to
kayo
Shine.
ng triplets with
Yes.
Manolyn Reyes and Tina Paner.
Yes, and then,
Nakakatuwa kayo na yung sisterhood nyo, intact pa rin.
yes, Dina Morales is also
Yes,
there.
my sister,
Rosel
good
Nava, Smokey Manoloto, and Miss Stacy Tomas is also
Tell us a
there.
bit about the show, tsaka yung role mo.
The show is about aspiring P-pop girls. They're introducing Zephanie. I think she won one of their talent contests ng GMA7. She's going to be introduced there with other teenagers na aspiring P-pop singers, ganyan. And then, akong role ko naman dito ay ako yung well-respected sa industry na vocal coach. Kasama ko si Ro Jun, yung pinsan ko, siya naman yung choreographer.
Grabe kayong cruise lang, napaka-talented nyo. Lahat, Geneva, Donna, Sunshine. Kanino ka pinaka-close kay Geneva, Donna, and Sunshine? Yung mga
Si-
pinsan mo?
First cousin ko si Sunshine because my father
The ex
and
of my BFF, Buboy.
my father and their dad are brothers. Tapos noon, si Rojo naman at si Raver, first cousins ko rin kasi nga sister ng papa ko, yung mom nila. But it doesn't mean na hindi ako close kala Geneva at saka kay Donna. Although they are my second cousins, we are close. It's just that ang mga pinsan ko kasi sa cruise site, marami sa kanila sa Alabang. Ako ate, nandun ako sa kabilang side. Nasa Quezon City ako. So, medyo hirap kaming magkita.
Paano mo i-describe yung clan nyo? Aside from lahat kayo, good singers. Yung mga sa
I have to
ugali.
say they're good looking.
Oo.
They're tall, di
You
ba?
got
Yung
good
ganyan.
genes. Oo.
They're tall and they're very good dancers also.
Oo. Pero
Ganyan.
never naman kayo nagkaaway-away, walang mga ganon.
Wala
walang
kaming
mga
tampuhan na ganyan. People pit us against each other because of our successes. Even with my friends, sila Manilyn at Tina, di ba yung ganon?
But that never got in the way of your friendship.
No, because yun yung turo rin sa akin ng auntie ko, di ba? Once you have
Ni
a
Tita
friend,
Susan.
especially sa show business, you treasure them.
That's-
Because they're very rare and few. Yung mga showbiz
Mabibilang
friends,
mo,
di ba?
yes.
Mabibilang mo.
I agree.
I do treasure them because 12 years old pa lang ako, kaibigan ko na sila Manilyn at
Oo.
Tina.
Kamusta na si Manilyn and Tina now?
They're good. Actually, si Manilyn, nakasama ko siya sa taping yesterday.
Manilyn
Si
and
Tina
Aljon
naman
are
wala.
going strong, di ba?
Oh, di ba? I'm so happy for them.
Oo, grabe.
I'm so
Since
happy
that's
for them.
entertainment pa sila,
Yeah.
di ba? Is Tina married or walay na rin?
I think she's still single just like us, but I think she's happy because Monching and her, I think, are still together.
Okay. Pero hindi yan confirmed.
It's been a while. I don't want to assume, di ba yung
Oo.
ganon?
So, hindi rin kayo nagkakatampuhan, kayong tatlo.
Kasama
growing
ngayon
up.
na
Oo.
merong mga tampuhan din sa friends. Pero hindi naman ganun kagrabe yung mga katampuhan namin. Ang mga tampuhan namin, food.
Oo.
Hindi pinayagan lumabas ng yaya ko kasama sila kasi mas mga matatanda sila sa akin.
Anong kabataan niyo? Anong pinaka-wildest or naughtiest thing thing na nagawa niyong tatlo?
Wala
Parang
kaming
adventure.
wildest thing na nagawa. Pero the thing is, na lagi nilang kinukwento ay, ako kasi yung youngest. I was 12 years old. Mga ate ko si Tina at si Manilyn. Tina was the oldest. Manilyn yung next na oldest. So, they were already siguro mga 14, 15, ganyan sila. Tina, ako, nasa 12 pa lang ako. So, yung time, alam mo yung Buda, dun sa meron malapit sa OB Montessori, ganyan.
Yes, katabi.
Yes. So sila, di ba, hanggang midnight bukas yun. So ako, di ba, 12 years old, hindi ako pinapayagan ni nanay na lumampas at a certain time na sumama sa kanila para gumala. Nagtatampo ako dahil hindi ako nakasama. Ang gagawin nila, bibilihan nila ako ng goto. Tapos doon, bibigay nila sa akin. Tapos ako, hindi ko papansin eh. Di ba, alam mo yung mga tampong pururot na gano'n, na parang, parang binili niyo pa ako, pero hindi niyo naman ako sinama, yung gano'n, di ba?
Kung pwede lang
Yeah.
ibalik ang mga
Oo.
nakaraan, no? Invite them, mga kadaldal, to watch yung show niyo sa GMA.
Yes, mga kadaldal. I'm inviting each and every one of you to watch Born to Shine. It's going to be showing this March 23 already on primetime afternoon sa GMA 7. And not only that, I would also like to take this chance na anyayahan kayong lahat to watch out for the independent movie no, na ginawa ko for Mamay Productions. It's Kapatiran with EJ Falcon. And this is under the direction of Neil Buboy Tan.
Daming racket. Yung daughter, wala pang
Kaka-start pa lang niya mag-workshop.
under wraps pa muna.
Yes, under wraps.
We have a fun little game, but before we do that, of course, I'd like to thank Boss Vic, my ninong, for always making us feel welcome to shoot here in Viva
Yes,
Cafe.
Boss Vic, producer ko rin yan sa Viva
Oh, love
Films
natin
with
yan lahat.
Andrew E. Yes! At saka sa Ikaw Naman Ang Iiyak, how can I forget?
Oh, kailangan mag-movie ka na ulit sa Viva.
Oo naman, available po ako.
And syempre si Miss Ems and the efficient staff here for always assisting us. And special thank you to my happy place in Boracay, La Carmela de Boracay. You're welcome there anytime.
Wow.
Let me know kung kailan ka gusto pumunta.
Yes.
Next time kayo mag-Boracay, stay at La Carmela de Boracay. Living La Vida de Bora de Carmela. Saya-saya. Thank you, Migo Boyso and Miga Love Apelat. Okay, it's game time. Katuwaan lang to.
Oh, sige, let's do this.
Okay, yung game natin, choose the cruise.
Choose the cruise, okay.
Kasi cruise kayo, di ba? So may tatanong ako kung kanino applicable. Pakita natin yung pictures.
Okay,
Yan.
so,
Kayo
ito mga
lahat.
to ha.
Gaganda nyo, grabe.
Pero may pasintabi ako. Kasi itong mga to, puro mga nakababatang pinsan. Hindi ko kaedad. So, ewan ko kung makaka-relate ako ha. Pangkatuwaan lang naman. Donna, Sunshine, Geneva. Lahat kayo mahal ko. Okay?
Okay. Who's the most baliw sa pag-ibig?
Baliw sa pag-ibig. Okay.
Ay, Geneva. Kainuman ko yan dati. Tequila girl. Ang
Pero
tawag ko
I'm so
yun.
happy for her kasi may boyfriend na siya.
Oo. And she graduated recently.
Yes. I'm so proud of you, Jen.
Sana mag-guest ko rin siya soon. Okay. Who do you run to for real talk? Yung talagang kakausapin ka ng masinsinan. May
Love
sense
you.
ka usap. Si
Love
Shine.
you. Matalino rin to.
Oo,
Nag-graduate din
malalim.
to. Yes.
Who's the most kuripot and the most galante? Or yung sino marunong sa pera?
Probably this.
No. Okay, and yung pinakagalante?
At sabi nila, ito daw eh.
Oh, ikaw?
Ito daw eh.
Oo,
Oo, ito raw
Oo,
eh.
ngayon, binati ko lang yung mga accessories from India, bibigyan na niya ako. Ganun siya kagalante. Who had the most boyfriends?
Parang lahat ba? Lahat ba?
Mabenta.
Lahat
Oh,
ba?
ang gaganda yun naman. Kasi. Who's the most martyr sa pag-ibig?
Alam ko ito. Alam ko ito.
Ex lang aking BFF Buboy. Who's the naughtiest? Pinakapilya.
Hands down.
A party girl, a very fun kasama, no dull moment. Who was a star already in your family even before showbiz becon? Yung talagang bata pa lang kayo, ano na to?
Star
Parang born
na?
to be a star.
Siguro ito.
And who's the most matampuhin?
Matampuhin. Hindi ko alam kung ako.
Ikaw.
Hindi ko alam kung ako. Ang sabi ni
So,
Manilyn na Tina, matampuhin daw ako.
Parang yung sa Goto story. Who's the pinakakikay?
Eto pa rin. Yung pinaka
Who's the pinaka-drama queen? In real life,
Itong ano na to.
lahat kayo
Itong
madrama.
lahat na to.
On and off camera. Describe them in one word each.
Sweet.
Donna, sweet.
Sunny.
Sunshine talaga.
Sunshine. Fresh.
Ikaw ngayon.
Sophisticated.
Available.
Available pa rin.
Anyway, thank you so much, my dear. And you can always count on my support and
More
friendship.
power to
Thank you.
Dollywood.
So good to
Yes.
see you. Tarang ang daming bumalik na memories from
Let's do this
It is-
again.
Yes,
Let's
in
do this
India
again.
next time.
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
Okay,
And thank you mga kadaldal for joining. And if di pa kayo subscriber, dali na maging kadaldal na. Till next time, thank you sa support. Bye! Ciao!
Namaste.